Hi there, want to start working with Just Eat app in the UK? In this video, I'll show you how to download the app, register and activate your account, step by step. Let's get started. Step number 1, download the Just Eat app from Google Play or App Store. Search Just Eat Courier. Tap download and install the app. Step number 2, register and create account. Open the Just Eat app. Choose United Kingdom. Tap create an account. Tap apply now. The following information is required to create an account. First name, last name, surname, phone number, city. Fill in your details. Choose your city. Tap create account. Read the full carrier contract carefully before confirming. To ensure better security, select a strong password. Make sure you do not forget your email and password. Complete your profile. Inform them how you became aware of Just Eat. Choose the city in which you wish to begin your work. If the city you require is not active, you may apply in any of the cities that are currently available. No worries, Just Eat will give you the option to add your preferred city at a later stage. To add a zone, locate your desired city on the map. You can zoom in by using 2 fingers simultaneously on the screen. To proceed, tap on the city you prefer. Choose your account type. If you do not have a driving license and a CBT certificate, it is recommended that you select bicycle. Up to this point, we have successfully completed the key steps. Step number 1, downloading the app. Step number 2, setting up the account. And now, step number 3, apply and upload documents. Before starting this step, if you'd like to learn how to apply for and activate Uber and Deliveroo accounts, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Let's get started. In step 3, we will be uploading documents across 7 sections. 7. Delivery bag. If you need a delivery bag, you can purchase one from here. Otherwise, check the box to confirm that you already have one or don't need it. 6. Facial comparison consent form. To verify your identity, you must give consent for facial comparison. 5. Bank information. Provide your bank details, it's including account number, sort code, and account number name. Make sure the account is in your name. Four. Reporting rules. Provide the following personal details: national insurance number NIN, date of birth, primary address. 3. ID document. Upload a valid photo UK ID, such as your passport, national ID card, driving license, or provisional license. Make sure the document is clear, not expired, and shows your full name and date of birth. Upload and submit clear images of both the front and back of your ID document. 2. Proof of right to work in the UK. 1. Criminal history check. To complete the sections, you will be directly redirected to Sterling's secure platform. Make sure you have the required documents ready, such as your share code, residence permit, or passport. Before we begin this section, if you're interested in topics about life and delivery work in the UK, make sure to check out the channel and enjoy the related videos. Now, let's begin processing steps 1 and 2 through Sterling. Please note that before the background check process can begin through Sterling, you must first complete the Yoti registration. Without registering with Yoti, Sterling will not be able to proceed. To proceed, please continue with Yoti on the web or download the Yoti app and complete your registration. If you have already registered with Yoti, like I have, simply go to the Sterling website. Share your Yoti details to begin the background check process. Send your details from Yoti app to the Sterling web. In order to complete the background check process, you are required to provide all of your personal information exactly as displayed in the image. Confirm your nationality and place of birth. If you already have a license number, enter it. If you don't, choose the option indicating you don't have one. Enter your national insurance number. Enter your addresses from the past 5 years. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share your right to work in the UK. Upload important documents such as your bank statement and ID. Before submitting, please make sure all the information entered is accurate and review it carefully. The final step of the background check has been completed. To monitor the status, log into your Just Eat account again. We have completed all the steps. The final two stages, background check and right to work verification, are now pending. Usually, Sterling takes about 1 to 3 weeks to complete the approval process. After Sterling's approval and report, our account will be active and ready for use. A few days later, our account is now active and ready to use. Let's go ahead and open it. If you want to know how to use your Just Eat account and start making money, head over to our YouTube channel and watch the first video. Got any questions or problems with the registration? Just drop them in the below. Thanks for watching till the end. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.